Hello, everyone, and welcome to Book Explorers, where we explore great books for kindergarten through second grade and third through fifth grade every month. My name is Jamie. I work at the Gonzales branch of the Denver Public Library. If you enjoyed Fry Bread or you're looking for more books about family and storytelling, you might enjoy Where's Halmoni by Julie Kim. In this graphic novel, Nuna and June arrive at their Halmoni's house, their grandma's house, only to find her missing in a trail of mysterious paw prints leading to a door in the wall. And that door leads to a magical world filled with Korean folktale characters, including the over-the-top dramatic moon rabbit, mischievous and brightly colored dokebi who want their snacks, the powerful tiger, and the nine-tailed fox known as gumiho. But will any of them know where Halmoni is? And can the tired and hungry siblings stop squabbling long enough to find out? This book has a nice big size and pretty watercolor illustrations that are great for reading on your own or for sharing with a grown-up. That's Where's Halmoni by Julie Kim.